Veggie Vibe.
Good morning, friends. Veggie Vibe is back on the air. Today, we are embarking on a true culinary and scientific journey. We are far too used to regular apples, bananas, and oranges on our supermarket shelves. But planet Earth hides some truly amazing fruits from most of us. Fruits that look like real aliens from other worlds, possess incredible physiological properties, and are capable of completely turning our understanding of taste, health benefits, and plant biochemistry upside down. Today, under our strict scientific microscope, we will examine 5 little-known exotic fruits. We will analyze their real benefits and hidden dangers in detail, relying exclusively on authoritative clinical study data. Make yourselves comfortable. Turn on your imagination. We are starting. Our first hero comes from the dense and humid rainforests of the Amazon, and its name is cupuaçu. Biologically, it is the closest relative of the famous chocolate tree. That is, cacao. However, unlike cacao, cupuaçu hides a completely different chemical magic. Traditionally, the indigenous people of South America used this fruit to quickly restore strength and endurance after hard work. And modern science has fully confirmed this effect. It all comes down to a unique compound called theocrine. Theocrine is structurally very similar to the familiar caffeine. It gently stimulates our nervous system, increases concentration, and delivers a powerful energy boost. But there is one huge advantage proven by scientists. Theocrine does this delicately, without sudden blood pressure spikes, without the unpleasant feeling of anxiety, and without the subsequent energy crash. That is so familiar to all lovers of strong coffee. Additionally, cupuaçu pulp contains unique antioxidants, called theobromines. Research shows they effectively fight internal inflammation and help our liver bind and eliminate toxins. So what is the catch of this Amazonian superfood? The answer lies in its calorie density. Cupuaçu pulp, and especially its large seeds, are incredibly rich and healthy, but very dense plant fats. The butter from cupuaçu seeds is prized in cosmetics even higher than the famous shea butter for its ability to deeply moisturize and retain skin moisture. But if you decide to enjoy the fresh fruit without limits, you will easily exceed your daily caloric needs without even noticing. It is an outstanding product, but its calorie content must be treated with respect and caution. Let us travel to the other side of the planet, to Asia, and more specifically to Japan, where our second guest grows, yuzu. This fruit externally resembles an unsightly and wrinkled hybrid of a mandarin and a lemon with bumpy skin, but its impact on human health continues to amaze scientists. Yuzu is a true champion in its vitamin C content and unique plant flavonoids, such as hesperidin and naringin. In laboratory tests, yuzu extract showed the ability to effectively reduce platelet aggregation. That is, it improves blood flow and, in the long run, serves as an excellent natural prevention for cardiovascular events. But the most amazing superpower of yuzu is hidden not in its pulp, but in its scent. The rind of this citrus is extremely rich in unique essential compounds, namely limonene and linalool. Clinical trials have confirmed that just 10 minutes of inhaling the aroma of yuzu significantly reduces the heart rate, instantly activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and literally washes away the physiological symptoms of anxiety, stress, anger, and fatigue. It is literally an antidepressant created by nature itself. The dangerous side of yuzu manifests in two ways. First, its extreme acidity can rapidly attack and soften tooth enamel, which is why yuzu juice is never consumed in its pure form. Second, like many citrus fruits, yuzu contains furanomerins. These compounds sharply increase your skin's sensitivity to ultraviolet light. If yuzu juice gets on your fingers or face before you step out onto a bright street, under the influence of the sun, you risk getting a severe and painful photochemical burn. Our third exhibit will make you doubt the reliability of your own senses. Meet Syncephalum dulcificum, better known to the world as the miracle berry. This humble, red, oblong fruit from West Africa has almost no distinct flavor of its own. But it contains a unique glycoprotein that scientists have named miraculin. Miraculin binds tightly to our sweet taste receptors on the tongue. In a neutral environment, it remains quiet and unnoticed, but the moment you eat or drink something sour, like a slice of lemon, miraculin instantly changes its spatial structure. In an acidic environment, it literally forces the sweet receptors to turn on to their maximum, and a sour lemon suddenly tastes like an incredibly sweet, juicy, and delicate dessert, completely stripped of any sourness. This amazing effect lasts from 1 to 2 hours. In modern medicine, scientists are actively researching the use of miraculin for cancer patients, undergoing courses of chemotherapy. One of the severe side effects of such treatment is a constant metallic or bitter taste in the mouth, which causes people to lose their appetite completely and suffer from physical exhaustion. The miracle berry successfully masks this unpleasant taste and restores the joy of simple food to patients. But why, then, isn't the miracle berry sold in every supermarket? Because fooling taste buds comes with a hidden physiological price. When you eat raw lemons or drink apple cider vinegar like sweet syrup, your brain senses no danger. However, you cannot fool the stomach. Aggressive acids continue to irritate the delicate lining of the stomach and esophagus. Careless eating of sour foods under the influence of the miracle berry is guaranteed to lead to severe heartburn, stomach pain, and even chemical damage to the mucous membranes. The illusion of sweetness never changes the harsh laws of chemistry. The famous writer Mark Twain once called our fourth fruit the most delicious fruit known to man on earth. This is cherimoya, or the custard apple. Its delicate, melting pulp tastes like an exquisite blend of banana, pineapple, strawberry, and heavy cream. At the same time, it is incredibly rich in B-complex vitamins, potassium, and natural substances that serve as precursors to dopamine, our primary joy hormone. Cherimoya is truly capable of quickly boosting your mood and supporting your nervous system health. But behind this heavenly flavor lies a deadly secret. The leaves, the thick skin, and especially the large black seeds of cherimoya are literally saturated with a potent neurotoxin called annonacin. Annonacin is a strong inhibitor of the first mitochondrial complex. It deprives our brain cells of the ability to produce vital energy, triggering the process of their death. Scientists raised the alarm when they discovered an abnormally high spike of atypical Parkinson's disease on the Caribbean islands, which did not respond to standard drug treatment. It turned out that local residents regularly drank traditional herbal tea made from the leaves of plants in this family and accidentally swallowed or used crushed seeds in food. This toxin is 100 times more toxic to dopamine-producing neurons than known artificial poisons. Therefore, the golden rule of safety when eating cherimoya says, enjoy the incredibly delicate pulp, but never Under any circumstances, bite into or swallow its seeds, and thoroughly clean the ripe fruit of its skin. Closing out our top 5 is a legendary fruit from southern China, monk fruit, or luo hangua. In ancient times, Buddhist monks used it to treat coughs, colds, and sore throats. But today, this humble fruit is experiencing a real boom in popularity worldwide. It is all because monk fruit is incredibly sweet. It is nearly 300 times sweeter than regular white sugar. But its fantastic sweetness is not caused by glucose or fructose, but by unique antioxidants called moghrosides. Moghrosides are barely absorbed in the upper parts of our gastrointestinal tract and do not provide the body with calories. This means that monk fruit has an absolute zero glycemic index. It causes no spikes in blood sugar or insulin whatsoever, which makes it an ideal and safe sweetener for people with diabetes and those struggling with excess weight. Research also shows that moghrosides have a pronounced anti-inflammatory effect. What are the hidden downsides of this perfect sweetness? First, monk fruit belongs to the good family. Therefore, in people with allergies to cucumbers, zucchini, pumpkin, or melon, it can trigger an unwanted cross reaction. Second, in rare cases of excessive consumption, moghrosides reaching the large intestine can cause mild bloating or discomfort due to interaction with your microbiome. And finally, the market often sells monk fruit extract mixed with cheap chemical sweeteners or carbohydrates, which can completely cancel out all its natural benefits. Always read the label carefully. Well, friends, our scientific investigation has come to an end. Today, we have once again seen that the exotic world of fruits is not just colorful pictures, but a complex, amazing, and sometimes treacherous laboratory of nature. Cup will give you gentle energy, if you keep the calories in mind. Yuzu will instantly relieve stress, if you protect your tooth enamel. The miracle berry will restore the joy of taste, but will require caution with acids. Cherimoya will give you heavenly pleasure, if you stay far away from its seeds. And monk fruit will be the perfect sugar substitute, if you choose a pure and high-quality composition. Write in the comments below this episode which of these 5 fruits you heard about today for the first time. Which fruit would you dare to try right now? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this episode. And be sure to subscribe to the Veggie Vibe channel, so you do not miss new exciting breakdowns of food from a scientific perspective. See you in the next episodes. Bye for now.